As I watch James blow glass in the lab, I notice how much skill and also delicacy it takes while working with glass at such a high temperature. One part about glass working that has always kind of amazed me is the ability to walk that kind of thin line of thermodynamics between an object not being hot enough and an object being too hot. If you don't heat up glass to the correct temperature, you won't be able to work with it. You won't be able to mend it, shape it, and do with it what you will. And on the opposite end, if you heat up glass too hot, it basically loses all of its form. It turns into a liquid. I know I asked James a little bit about his previous artistical experiences in life, and one thing that he did say that he worked with, and I could see some comparisons, is working with clay and working at a potter's wheel. And in a similar form, you kind of have to spin the glass to let gravity shape it, because as the glass continues to rise in temperature, more and more of the glass begins to be affected by gravity, and that is why you see James spinning the glass in this video.